Hi there, I'm Nathan. I'm a student at Princeton University. My first company did hardware, specifically high-precision GPS, so I learned a lot about analog circuits and the full end-to-end supply chain of building a consumer product.
Hi, I'm Emilka. I'm a rising junior at Princeton, where I'm studying chemical and biological engineering. My background is in FDA trials consulting. I've also worked at a lot of national labs, specifically in molecular software development and machine learning.
All right. So we are Tomos Devices. My name is Nathan Myers. As you saw from the video, I think my hair was a bit longer. I'm a student at Princeton studying philosophy, and my first company, as I said, built high-precision GPS systems.
Hi, I'm Emilka. I'm also a student at Princeton University, where I'm studying chemical and biological engineering. My first company was doing gene editing on plants to make optimal chicken feed, and now, most recently, worked as an FDA consultant and a researcher at multiple national labs.
We're presenting Tomos Devices. The problem is that people die 20 years before they should. Right now, the only clinical measurements you take of your body happen once a year, or even less, at the doctor's office with a cuff and a scale and a stethoscope. The rest of the year, your body is completely opaque, and so we miss obvious red flags. The solution is to measure clinically every second, not every year. Existing wearables were supposed to be the solution to this problem, but they're not clinical and leave you and our doctors with only a vague understanding of what's inside the body. So we built a sensor stack 10 times better than any existing wearable. On top is the waveform that Apple sees, the gray one. It's vague and smooth, offering little data to inference from. On the bottom is our first blood pressure signal, from my heart, actually, using this chip right here in my hands. It goes over the radial artery right here and will be built into a wrist device. With these high-quality waveforms, the golden ones on the bottom, we can infer more than ever before about your health. We've developed this sensor in just 2 months and are producing significant patent portfolio. We've started with sensing blood pressure, as it's the leading cause of death in the world and is a problem worth over $10 billion. But that's not all we're doing.
So here's what Apple's currently able to detect with a $900 Apple Watch. Using PPG, the green light we see in wearables everywhere, including my Oura Ring and Nate's Garmin, they record a low-quality heart waveform and low-quality thermal sensing. Here is what we're going to get. We have a proprietary sensor array, biological impedance, electrodermal activity, better thermal sensing than ever before, volatile organic compound sensing, contact force, of course a 9-axis IMU, spectral light sensor, and we even added a camera. Behind me is what the consumer sees, this enormous amount of data interpreted by our own physiological machine learning models, moving away from traditional interpretive large language models, will allow us to get clinical quality measurements and interpretation from the wrist for the first time ever. It's like having a lab and a doctor on your wrist at all times. Wearables will be worth over $185 billion by 2030, and we think it can grow even more with clinical grade readings. We're starting B2C, and so we've brought designers onto our cap table to make something advanced and beautiful that people want to wear. In the long run, we believe that we can build a reimbursable wearable, unlocking the enormous amount of potential and capital in the healthcare industry. So, our goal is to become the front end of the future of healthcare.
I'd like you to imagine, maybe 10 years from now, you're wearing one of our watches and it gives you a notification one day that your blood pressure's been drifting upwards alongside a couple other changes in the biosignals we're measuring, and we send you a message. We've noticed some changes in your health and suggest meeting with a healthcare professional. We've checked your calendar and the nearby doctors, and we can schedule an appointment on Monday. You click yes, your healthcare information goes securely to your clinician, and you meet that Monday about your health. Thank you. We're Tomos Devices.